Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Zarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Thursday, 22nd January 2026, Nifty index opened negative and broke relentlessly to touch low of 24,911 zones during the day. Bears continued right from the opening levels and broke its psychological levels and wiped off around 950 points in the last three sessions. Now, it was followed by some recovery in the second half of the day and managed to close near 25,150. It formed a doji sort of a candle on the daily basis and continues to make lower highs, lower lows from the last three sessions. India VIX was up by around 8.3% to 13.8 levels. Nifty put call ratio increased to 0.78. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,800 to 25,600, while immediate range could be in between 25,000 to 25,400. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 1,680 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 4,182 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 11.3%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest till Nifty holds below 25,200, weakness could be seen towards 24,900 marks, while hurdles have now shifted lower to 25,400. Till the time Bank Nifty holds below 59,000 levels, some weakness could be seen towards 58,250, while on the upside, hurdle can be seen at 59,000. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Hindustan Zinc, Tata Consumer, Vedanta, SBI, Godrej Consumer, and Muthoot Finance, while some weakness could be seen in Havells, UPL, Lodha, CDSL, Delhivery, Eternal, Bajaj Finance, and RVNL. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Zarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.